Free shows, no. Sick flows, whoa. Kill the game, ghost. I'm getting it, dough. Wrist cold, snow. These boys toast. Bankroll, bro. That volume like whoa.
What up, what it is?
What's up, what it is?
I hate that I have to do it like this every time. Hello, everybody.
You do this to yourself, bro.
I need a new. From now on, it's what? No, not myself. What it is.
You can't do it. You can't do it.
Whatever.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. What's good? It's the Pebble Boys. We're back with another
Again.
one.
And this time we made a big mistake.
As you can see, we made a tad of a big mistake. Right now, we're at Simunye Country Club.
We came through to challenge
Ourselves.
the biggest burger in the southern hemisphere. Do you understand what I'm saying here? Not in Roho, not in Manzini.
The biggest.
Southern hemisphere. So we have burgers, huge burgers. 2 of those. We got fish and chips. We got ribs and wings. And we got pizza.
With steak and cheese, I think.
Because this is really heavy.
Incredibly crazy.
We tagging one of the homies. DJ A1's coming through.
I'm glad I don't eat fish.
Yeah, plus the fact that the 2 of us don't eat fish.
So A1.
So A1 and...
We got this, we got this.
Let's do it. Let's see how it goes.
You ready? We are. Subscribe. Let's get to work.
So we got
Here we are.
food.
So we're gonna try and finish this food.
Say hi, A1. Say hi. Hello.
There's no point talking now. Wave and let's go.
Do we need a team strategy or something?
Listen.
Oh, wait, let's go in.
Strategy is fight.
They got the best pizzas out here.
Best pizza in Eswatini.
Like I'm not even gassing it up.
God.
This is lit.
Me and the crew going in a minute, yeah. It's too easy.
It's gonna make me cry, man. It's gonna make you cry. I don't know, maybe it's just when you heat and the pizza, because when you get it hot, it's even better, guys.
What is this? What's this called?
Steak and cheese, I think. Steak and cheese.
Steak and cheese pizza. You gotta come try it out. This is really
Try
good
it
stuff.
out, guys.
This is some really good
You guys
stuff.
are talking way too much. We're at war here. Focus.
Yeah. Oh my god! I'm
sweating.
Chips are not the wise way to go. Don't eat your chips when you're eating so much.
There's ribs up in here.
All of it must be eaten.
Yo, there's ribs up in here. It's crazy.
Oh wow, there's fish, dog.
You should buy in.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Hold on.
Easy, pull a go on the beat, too simple. It's too easy, way too easy. It's too easy, yeah.
Sweet chili in my bob here.
Oh, I will. Let me just dip there. I don't care. So that's cotton. That's ketchup. That's what? What's this? Acha. You probably have the best acha. So yeah, come to you guys. We're not gassing. We're not gassing. Just so you know, I am gassing. Okay. My boy.
Listen, you guys
You ain't guessing, you stating facts.
You guys are talking way more than you need to be talking.
Relax, bro. Relax. But they have wings too. Oh my god.
I'm going in.
Good. Ready?
How do we even go in?
We don't even know where to start. Listen, my guy.
Why are you putting your phone? This is my phone.
With this burger, you take layers. You take layers. Honestly. Yo, check. I figured it out.
Mukbang.
Yo, this is a cycle of mukbang.
How many of these things does it take to balance this thing out?
Oh, this thing we needed cement. Watch this.
Oh yeah, I was about to. What? To the chick.
Yo, this is not funny.
Yo, there's so many chips. Oh my god. The whole thing is going up.
Hey.
The whole thing is going up.
You need a partner to
Wow, shot. Wait,
wait.
we're gonna wait.
Hang on to the bottom. Let's get
I'm trying to break it.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, check.
Where are you
Use
starting?
my hand. My finger. This is about it. Take the knife.
Yeah, oh yeah, we go. Take the,
What? What, bro? Okay.
this is war, bro.
Okay, now, pick it up with me. From here. Yeah, check.
Why would you go that far, dog?
We're gonna cut it in half.
Where's my fork?
We figured it out. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Wait.
Pick it up.
I did. Either way, we still got a burger.
So let's go.
Yeah.
Like, check. We still have ourselves a burger.
This is insane.
Mama didn't raise no quitter.
Guys. Hey, no fork and knife here. Use your hands.
It's too messy for my hands. No lie.
Listen. You guys better come through. Like, honestly.
No, this food is good.
Give me that sweet chili. Oh. You know it's deep when you get yourself dirty. See, this is why you have classes that large.
I'm too busy. I'm at war. Didn't raise no punk.
I'm having a food orgasm. When you talk about mukbangs in Swaziland, this is what you should talk about. Not what you guys do. It's like a patty, bacon, a chicken fillet, cheese, tomatoes. Oh wow. It's a lot of food. If you don't like cheese, I'm sure they can remove it, so don't worry.
I'm about to put on the job.
Wow, don't be a child. You just said Mama didn't raise a whip. Mama, you watching? Tell him he's a whip now.
Get a cup and try the chicken fillet.
I am sweating. I am really sweating right now. Fun fact about Smooth. They have the biggest burger in the country, in the southern hemisphere. So one dog for the
We
boy.
urge you to challenge this burger. DM us, comment, tell us where you've seen a bigger burger.
Yes.
I don't think it's possible. There's 4 of us here. We really do have the best pizza in the country. I've never tasted anything like that.
If you wanna argue, tell us where to go. We'll try the next one. I'm just saying. Honestly, when you have so much food, you don't touch the chips.
Listen, a challenge requires us to finish it.
Excuse me, do you all have a doggy bag?
Oh!
I was laughing at you sweating. Now I'm sweating.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yeah.
Has anyone ever finished this burger before?
Usually they don't.
With the chips and everything?
Usually they don't.
Dad, it's not possible.
So that's probably why you have a doggy bag, right?
Guys, you guys are being wimps.
I'm not a wimp. The pizza's finished. The pizza's finished.
Halfway mark, where we at?
It's bad. It's really good food.
I think we finished half the food. No, it's bad.
Pizza down and
When
dusted.
this guy sweats by the nose.
Half the burgers.
That's bad. Look how sweaty they are.
I'm sweating.
That's
sweating
bad.
on his nose. That's weird.
Ribs are gone. Wings gone.
Wings are gone.
Fish is still fully there.
Fish is
But
there.
we're going.
Pizza's gone.
Pizza's fully gone. Okay.
Burgers
Halfway
are
mark.
pretty
Three.
Them chips up after a few beers, you know what I'm saying?
Have some greens. Yeah. Oh, okay. No. Have a green. Have a green now. I'm having.
I'm standing.
There you go. There's a green.
Someone hold this burger. It's trying to. There we go. You see, Mina, I'm still fighting a good fight here. Mama didn't raise no win.
Let's do that direct.
So let's get that burger because it's healthy. So.
Burger, if not by back. Burger, but not washing.
Have some broccoli.
I need to stir up broccoli, man. I don't know me like that.
Kamisa. Don't give me no broccoli. Kamisa.
Yeah, sometimes I have as well.
Wait, I'm cutting. I don't care. I don't care. Yes, my boys are having MUKBANG. Yeah, they have broccoli.
Yo, why are you talking for so long?
Hashtag StoreCares.
This man is always trying to like put a hashtag in every video.
Unfortunately my burger fell apart. You're holding a quarter of the burger.
After I realized that that burger fell apart, I realized that it was an accident.
You know what? It's a beat right here.
This is why I'm gonna lose this challenge.
I'm trying to digest. I'm trying to digest.
I feel bad for all toilets.
You're disgusting.
I'll tell you guys, I'm telling you, done. Alone.
But still, we challenge you. We want to see you do it.
Let me tell you guys something.
Also, if you feel like you want to be part of the challenge, do it. Maybe post on your socials and tag us, you know. Tag the big. Oh, my bad. Tag the big boys. Go on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere.
Pinterest.
Really? No.
LinkedIn.
Snapchat.
What's that thing? GoFundMe.
Yeah. What? Go find us.
What's that thing?
And WhatsApp. Our number is 76.
Friends only.
Yeah, trend that. Oh, one time. Shout out to Zoe for that. Oh my God.
Fish done.
What, for real? It's so lacking. It's falling apart. You know it's going
These are the games that you need tally, Nelisi.
What's in here?
Do you even have Uzi? Yes, Uzi.
I can't have all of it.
Uzi would be done. By himself. How many minutes have you been sitting here?
23 minutes.
At least we're under 30 minutes. If you're hosting an event or a ceremony or function, whatever, and there's a lot of food, please call me.
I'm done. I've thrown in the towel. That's it.
Loser. Wimp.
We're gonna call this
Wimp.
the ref cam. He's failed. This man. How's it going?
We got you. Look at Storo's food.
Can I be the last?
Here's a report of how it's going.
I want to be the last man standing.
He's thrown in the towel. Storo and Sasa remain. I feel like it's gonna be sick. I'm really stressed.
That's my fault. I'm about to throw in the towel. Move, Akwana. You've lost. Forward.
I didn't finish. I'm not finished. You said I'm thinking of throwing in the towel.
You said you're throwing in the towel. Move. We wanna eat quickly. Move.
I'm done.
Go, bro.
This is stupid.
Where's my job? It's the two skinniest niggas going. We're going. I'm going out. We're going. Just don't count. Just don't count. Fam, can I have water?
I am.
Not beer.
Fam, water.
No.
And I've been
I want to see you die.
I remember you guys got kids.
These guys are big. Put my hands. My hands are. These are the hands of a man. Yeah, what is a man hands? This is how a man should do. This is how a man should do. Guys, I'm gonna win my first challenge. Don't just give up, please. I just want to win one challenge.
It's not about winning, you're gonna get sick.
So be it. Waiting for me to lose.
So who are you guys fighting with?
These are the hands of a warrior.
Men should look like this.
Yeah, hands of a warrior.
You know what I'm saying? Finish then. Finish.
I bet. You guys crying.
Why are you crying, dog? Why are you crying, dog? Why are you crying?
I'm eating. It's just a lot of food.
Still, why are you switching the air conditioners on?
So we beat the two big men, and we're calling it a tie. Agreed. Our hands, real men's hands look like this.
That's how men's supposed to look.
after eating so much food. Thank you. Please don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe, and hashtag StoroCare.
First and foremost, I just want to say I threw in the towel first. I won't even lie.
I went up second.
Boy, we're tired.
Don't give me that.
Wait.
That's so awkward.
Yes.
Okay, in any case,
That pizza.
the pizza bangs, man.
That pizza was fire.
Out of this world.
Pizza had texture and it was lovely. Like
He has
taste
no
the steak.
idea what he's talking about.
Yeah,
The steak.
But the pizza.
That was real meat though.
That was real meat.
that was
Meat for Swazi men.
One time.
The ribs, bang.
The wings.
Bang.
the burgers.
Oh
Bang.
my god, the burger. Where do I even
Yo.
start? Between you and I could still go. I could still go.
Cat.
What is
Everything.
it? What is it?
Cat. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Bengal Boys.
Yo, so
And just basically a special thanks to Simunye Country Club for having us.
big shout out to Simunye Country Club. Yo, listen, y'all gotta try that triple bypass. You gotta try that raging bull. Please tag us when you do it. I mean, it's
Yeah.
incredible.
Tag us at the Bengal Boys on all social media platforms. And real DJ Anya.
Yes, real.
No.
We're gonna put it right
The
here.
DJ.
Okay, yeah. The handles are here. All of our handles. And the man behind the camera, Alpha.
So you know what it is. It's the Bengal Boys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Road to 500.
Put the fa 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 fa.
It's too easy, yeah.